Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Today we are going to read from Matthew chapter 7, verses 1 to 6. Do not judge, or you too will be judged. For in the same way you judge others, you will be judged. And with the measure you use, it will be measured to you. Why do you look at the speck of sawdust in your brother's eye, and pay no attention to the plank in your own eyes? How can you say to your brother, "Let me take the speck out of your eye," when all the time there is a plank in your own eye? You hypocrites, first take the plank out of your own eyes, and then you will see clearly to remove the speck from your brother's eyes. Do not give dogs what is secret. Do not throw your birds to pigs. If you do, they may trample them under their feet and turn and tear you to pieces. Thank you guys for listening. God bless and see you tomorrow.